and welcome to the video for lesson in quiz 6.07, How Storms Develop. So, I'm sure you've been in a thunderstorm before, or heard them going on outside. They bring heavy rain, thunder, and lightning, and maybe even tornadoes. You may also have heard of hurricanes or cyclones, so we're going to learn about how these form in this lesson. Make sure you pause the recording, please, and read this carefully, the goals for the lesson. You can find the student guide in the third page of the lesson introduction. Great place to take notes. And you may use the reference guide, which is the ebook, and from the table of contents to learn more about this topic. So air masses that we learned about before, they move and they interact. They move with wind, and they bring a front or bring weather with them when they meet. Warm and cold fronts produce precipitation and thunderstorms. So if warm air mass runs into a cold one, you get air masses causing thunderstorms to form. The best way to form a thunderstorm is when you have the following. A thunderstorm can form with moisture in the air, unstable air, and a way for the surface air to rise. So make sure you know, to form a thunderstorm you need three things: moisture, unstable air, and a way for the surface air to rise. Stationary fronts and occluded fronts will also bring their own kinds of weather. Let's talk a little bit about mid-latitude cyclones. Mid-latitude cyclones have a few steps. First of all, fronts converge. You get a cold mass meeting a meeting a warm mass, and the upper air movement along the front causes a wave to form, which separates this into cold and warm fronts. You can watch this in this illustration of how that forms. So weather patterns in mid-latitude cyclones depend on where you are, where on the continent you live, which gives you a different kind of weather. Thunderstorms have unstable atmospheres, as we discussed before, in rising air. They can develop into tornadoes. So a thunderstorm can develop into a tornado if it gets a supercell where the updrafts start rotating, start spinning. It's called, and make sure you know, it's a mesocyclone. It's a very important step in the formation of tornadoes. So make sure you know that mesocyclones, which are tubes of spinning air, are a very important step in the formation of a tornado. Mesocyclones. Cool word, huh? You should also know about tropical cyclones. Tropical cyclones form from converging warm winds over warm ocean waters. So make sure you know tropical cyclones occur when you get warm winds converging over warm ocean waters. That causes a tropical cyclone. And these, of course, can develop into hurricanes. And hurricanes have eyes, eyewalls, and rain bands, not ray bands. So as you get ready for your quiz, make sure you review that thunderstorms are formed by moisture, unstable air, and a way for air to rise. That mesocyclones are part of tornado formation, and that tropical cyclones occur over warm ocean waters where warm winds converge. Good luck on your quiz.